Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to increase your font size on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up the Telegram, and as you can see, this is what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make it larger and easy to see, we need to head back, and then we need to click into our settings app. And now once we're inside settings, we need to navigate lower and look for display. Tap into display, scroll down again and click onto font size and style. And on the bottom of font size and style, you're going to have a slider. So if we move this slider to the right hand side, it's going to increase your text size. And likewise, if we move it to the left, it's going to make it smaller. So choose what size you want to use for Telegram. You can have a play around with it. So from here, I'm going to keep my slider near the right hand side. Now I'm going to head back to Telegram, sorry. I'm going to open up Telegram, and my font size has been increased by that amount. If it doesn't automatically go larger, you need to close Telegram completely and then reopen Telegram. So I'll quickly do that now. I'm going to change my font size to about there. I'm going to go back to Play Store, search for Telegram. Because I can't find it on my phone, I've got that many apps, just easy for me to do it like this. And there you go, it's been increased